Well, I'm fairly sure most of you already know this, as today marks Bonfire Night, which Guy Fawkes Night or Bonfire Night. Well, it's usually known the 5th of November of every single year marks either Guy Fawkes Night or plain Bonfire Night, as we all know it. That's what the day is generally known as we know. Every year, the 5th of November of every single year is, well, I think all of you very, very well know this, is either known as Guy Fawkes Night or Bonfire Night. So a very, very happy Guy Fawkes Night or happy Bonfire Night all the same. As I'm pretty sure, this is probably the best time to get it uploaded onto the internet when the action has really begun, with all the fireworks action, and really when it's all the fireworks action is the most special moment of the Guy Fawkes Night event in itself and all the rest of it, as we know, which is fairly commonplace whenever the event, which is incredibly commonplace or extremely commonplace, when certainly this eventful annual time of year takes place and all that. So a very happy Guy Fawkes Night to all, and certainly very happy Bonfire Night for the rest of the world. On the global matters, of course. Hope you enjoy the day with much appreciation and much fun. And certainly shall we be awaiting for Bonfire Night of next year. Ta-ta, another time. From Foxy.